Hello everyone, if you are looking for wireless earbuds in budget, these are Airdopes by boAt, and this is in cherry blossom color. There are other color as well like black and light blue. This model number is 121v2. So let's check them. These are the case and earbuds are inside. These are earmuffs. These are manuals. This is warranty information for 1 year. This should be the USB charging cable. This is micro USB cable. Let's check them. This is 42% right now. So these are in red color, so these are in charging mode. Once they will get fully charged, it will get converted into blue. For to connect them to the phone, just turn on the Bluetooth in mobile phone. It will be showing as the Airdopes 121v2. Just press it and it will get connected. So you can use them. So I have listened some of the tracks and the music is very good. I have also used them on voice calling and that was also very clear. So I am very satisfied with this in listening quality as well as in voice quality as well. These are very light in weight, but the built-in quality is very good. So this seems to be very durable. I bought these in cherry blossom so that it will get matched to the skin color, and so these also comes in different color like black and light blue as well. We can also use single at a time. Just put the other one back into the case, and whenever you will take that one back, it will automatically get connected. So both these are master earbuds and separately can be connected. So there is a button, multifunction button in the center. So by pressing it for long 2 seconds, it will get connected to the voice assistance, and if you will press it for 3 seconds, then it will get turn on manually, and for to turn off it manually, just press it for 5 seconds. So this is the multifunction button. As you can see, that blue light is blinking, so it is showing the signal that it is connected to the mobile or Bluetooth device. These are giving a backup of around 3.5 hours of music listening, and the case is also adding additional 10.5 hours. So total backup is around 14 hours. So these are in charging mode. Once they will get connected into the blue, then those would be showing the indicator that those have been fully charged. These can be charged with the 5 volt and maximum of 2 ampere of power. Let's check them connecting with the power adapter. It's blinking, so it's showing that the power has been given to the charger. Thank you for watching the video.